weather observer. Different places have different weather conditions. Let's learn about the weather. Rainy. The symbol for rainy weather is a rain cloud. It's raining. There are raindrops falling from the sky and the ground is soaked. Let's see what everyone is busy with during this weather. Crossing over puddles. Oh no, it's raining! Will the bees get soaked? Let's check them out. It's raining outside. I must put on my raincoat. Raincoat. Rain boots. Tarpaulin. I'm ready to check out the bees. Oh no, the road is flooded. What should I do? Oh, I have an idea. Carefully step on the rocks to get to the other side. I don't want to fall into the water. Yeah, I've gotten to the other side. Great. Next, let's see what will take place. Protecting against floods. It's about to rain heavily. A rise in the water level may flood the farmland. We must reinforce the dam before it rains. There's a big hole in the dam. Let's repair it with some bricks. Let's fill some sandbags and use them to reinforce the dam. Look, the sturdy dam has prevented a flood. That's great! Let's review what you have learned. Weather quiz. Which is the symbol for rainy weather? You're really smart. What will take place when it's raining? Crossing over puddles. You have a pretty good memory. Next, let's take a look at the weather in other places.